Hi, this is Eric from BETE Nozzle, here to talk to you about our new BETE HydroClaw tank wash nozzle. This is a static tank washing nozzle designed for winemaking and brewery tanks where lots of debris is present that can potentially clog a traditional static spray ball like this one. What we have here, a spoonful of 1/4 inch ball bearings. These would be similar to grains, hops, grape seeds, stems, and skins. If we pour them into a traditional spray ball, we see that they stay in the spray ball. Over time, the spray ball will clog and it will no longer function. However, with a BETE HydroClaw, they simply pass right through. This is a nozzle that has no moving parts. It is very clog resistant, so it has very low maintenance, and it provides a very heavy rinse to quickly flush your tank from debris.